boys and girls. Today we're going to make a flute with a straw. Just take a regular straw. It can be plastic or it is easier actually with a paper straw. But what you want to do is pinch the end of the straw till it's flat on the end, just like that. Then you take some safety scissors and snip off just a little angle of it on each side. Just like that. Now you should have a flat piece that looks like that with a little gap in between. You see that gap? When you blow on it with your lips pursed, you should be able to get a sound. Do you hear that? Now if you do it with a plastic one, it's a little harder because the plastic is a little stiffer. You may get a low sound, you may get a high sound, depending on how tight your lips are or how hard you blow.